Thanks for joining us today at Briggs Ranch, one of the hottest new communities on the far west side of San Antonio. I'm Shane Tracey, your San Antonio luxury new build specialist. And what that means to you is that I work directly with top builders, giving my clients early access to premier home sites, off-market opportunities, and high-level incentives that aren't always publicly advertised. But more importantly, I represent you because when you walk into a model home, remember the builder's team is trained to maximize their profit. My role is to protect your investment, your time, and your leverage from negotiating upgrades and pricing to navigating contracts and build timelines. Every detail matters at this level, and I make sure nothing gets overlooked. So, before you visit your first model home, it's important to call or text me at the phone number above. I'll give you private insights, current availability, and a clear strategy to secure the right home on your terms. Luxury isn't just about the home, it's about how you get it. Let's make sure you get it right. Today, we're highlighting Perry Homes at Briggs Ranch. This community is conveniently located off of Highway 211, which is near major highways like Highway 90 and Highway 1604. Briggs Ranch provides easy access to shopping with a new HEB just up the road, a couple miles down Highway 211, dining, entertainment, and everyday necessities. Joint Base San Antonio Lackland is just a short drive, making the commute an ideal situation for anyone working in and around that area. Also, you're about 20 to 30 minutes away from downtown San Antonio. And let's not forget, this community is right next door to Briggs Ranch Golf Club and the Golf Club of Texas. As far as the amenities in the community, the plans are to create a resort-style pool and a family-friendly playscape. And as far as what Perry Homes is offering in Briggs Ranch, they have two series of homes. Their 45-foot series starting in the 420s, and their 50-foot series that starts in the 490s. Now, right behind me, this is one of their elegant two-story homes in their 50-foot series. It's the 2796W floor plan. I can't wait to show you the inside. But before I do, I wanted to share more about what is offered in their 50-foot series. You'll have your choice between 1- and 2-story floor plans. As far as space, their homes range from 2,100 to 3,600 square feet of living area with 3 to 5 bedrooms, 2 to 4 full bathrooms, and up to 1 half bath. And as far as your garage space, you can have a 2 or 3 car garage in this series. Now that you have some good information on this series, let's go check out this model home. See you inside. Discover luxury living in this stunning 2-story home offering 2,796 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, and a dramatic staircase. Enjoy a private office behind French doors, soaring family room ceilings, fireplace, expansive windows, and a chef's kitchen with island, large walk-in pantry, and gas cooktop. Relax in the elegant primary suite featuring spa-inspired bath. Upstairs offers game room, media room, spacious bedrooms, along with a downstairs guest suite. Outside, enjoy the covered patio for outdoor living and a 3-car garage. Enjoy the home. Hey, thanks for joining us for another awesome home tour. By the way, before I forget, go ahead and check out this phone number. You can call or text this phone number right here, and that way I can answer any questions for you, assist you in any way, create strategies, and even make sure that we're finding the right home for you, because that's what we're here for. I'm Shane Tracey, broker of Good to Go Realty and your San Antonio new build specialist. I'm here to walk you through each and every step, and there are lots of them, believe me folks, but don't worry, we are here every step of the way, and even after you close, we will be here. So whether it is that you have federal student loan debt that you're feeling is holding you back, we've got a solution. If you have a down payment assistance issue, we've got a solution for that. If you're a veteran, active duty, never used your VA home loan benefit, and don't even know where to start, guess what? We will walk you through it. We've got great solutions. No matter what it is, if you want to be a homeowner, we're going to walk you through the steps to making sure that we find the right home that fits your budget, that fits your lifestyle, and that fits the right side of town for you. Thank you for joining us. Have a great day.